Now for a look at the local market, and earlier I spoke to Lucinda Chan from Macquarie Private Wealth. Well, Lucinda Chan, quite a downturn in the market today. How much of that was a revised interest rate outlook once the inflation figures came out?
To a great extent, Tiki, it probably did have a huge impact, with the CPI inflation figure coming in at 0.9%, greater than most expected. Of course, you saw the Aussie dollar rose as high as 1.10 against the US, so that was also very firm as well. So naturally, that led further the banking and financial sectors, particularly weak, losing well over 1%. And we also saw the resources sector also much weaker. They lost even more ground towards the end of the afternoon.
Well, let's go to some of those resource stocks. And BHP Billiton fared worse than most of the market. I mean, how much of that is the Chile Escondida mine strike biting now?
Well, certainly to some extent, I would say Escondida mine still not operational. They still need to renegotiate the discussions with the union there. And as long as that is in place, I think there will be pressure on BHP's share price. For that reason, I think it dropped well over 1.2% this afternoon.
Now, we've got some of these early profit results coming through. What did investors make of Coal and Allied?
Well, Coal and Allied posted a half-year net profit number that came in up about 40% to $227 million. It was a strong sales number. Volumes were good, and given coal export prices also very strong, that certainly helped the stock lift the game today.
Home builder Australand also had its numbers out.
Yes, they certainly did. It was a very interesting number given a very difficult economic conditions and weaker consumer spend in the marketplace. The result of the first half came in about 84.8 million, a very strong number, and certainly, hopefully, the company will be able to maintain those sorts of results going forward.
And what's your assessment, finally, of the announcement that came out for Atlas Iron?
Atlas Iron announced a strategic alliance with Centuris Metals today, where they will be acquiring 19.9% of the company for about $18.7 million. This would be obviously a very positive announcement for the company. Strategically, will provide a strong geographical diversification into the Brazilian markets for the company.
Lucinda Chan, thank you very much for joining us tonight.
Thank you.